I'm Andrei from Team Zip. We are a consulting company from Croatia. We work with Millennium for several years.
Hello, my name is Stjepan. I was here during the whole installation and commissioning of Millennium equipment.
My name is Vlado. I'm from company Team Zip from Croatia.
Hello, I'm Lucas Crespi, GM of a food development company from Salalah-Mills.
On this installation plant, we work tightly with them for proofing spiral, for blast freezers spiral, and for cooling spiral, for baguettes, for Kaisers, for ciabatta line, puff pastry like here. We have very good and nice relationship with them.
And I have to say that Millennium crew from technicians, engineers was very professional, and that the things that they showed here, solving problems during the installation, which were quite few on these whole 9 spirals. As you can imagine, they cooperated very well with the people here on the spot, with us as consultants. And as you can see, it went out quite well.
Team Zip is a dealer of Millennium equipment last 10 years, I think. We are really very satisfied with cooperation, but very important is that we are satisfied with the quality of the product, with the system what they can offer us. For example, in this project here in Oman, we installed 9 lines. It's in total about 400-500 kilometers of the belt of the spirals.
We work with them in project phases, especially with Vitali, in calculation of spirals, of capacities and length of spiral. The guys work great every day in very bad condition in the beginning because air condition was not working. It was pretty hot here in Oman. And during that process, everything went smooth. And now we are in the phase of commissioning of spirals, and everything seems to be great.
Very important is for production that these spirals are working very quiet. You can hear each other when you are standing near them, which is not the case with a lot of industrial machines.
I want to thank today the fruitful collaboration we had with Millennium, especially their expertise, all the skills they have in the freezing and the cooling and the spiral system. It was a long project. They start with us from the beginning, and I'm happy to say that today the commissioning is done, completed, so we can finally freeze the product and start the business. So thank you very much, Millennium. I appreciate the collaboration, and I recommend your company. Very professional. Thank you.
I can suggest to everybody who need spirals, doesn't matter, freezing spirals, cooling spirals, deep freezer, pasteurizing units, to use this company in their system because it's really very well.